Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.3 question number 11. Right. Now you see question number 11. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 which are tangents to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 3. First step, what do you want to do? First step, because equation of the tangent they are expecting, right? Find the equation of the tangent. First step, you want to differentiate. What it is given in your question, the curve equation is y is equal to 1 by x minus 3. Solution, right? First step, what do you want to do? Yeah, tell me anyone. Yeah, very good. You want to find dy by dx. Given y is equal to 1 by x minus 3. The next step, what you want to find, I told you, that is dy by dx. What it represents? Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent equal to slope of the tangent. How you should say? Dy by dx. Slope of the tangent, which is equal to dy by dx. What it is, which is equal to, you are going to differentiate your given curve equation. Here also you want to apply which formula? The derivative of x power n, which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Here you are going to shift x minus 3 to the numerator. That means the power will act as minus 1. How it will? You see, y is equal to x minus 3, the whole power minus 1. Now you are going to differentiate here. How to differentiate? Your n is minus 1. So minus 1 into x minus 3, the whole power minus 2, because minus 1 it becomes minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 by x minus 3 the whole square, right? You people understood or not? Yeah. Yes, you understood, right? Then what it is given in the question, you see slope is given. Slope is represented by what? Dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to 0. That is given. Right. Now this is equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. You are going to compare 1 and 2. Right. Compare 1 and 2. See. Compare 1 and 2. What you will get? You see, the left hand side dy by dx is there. Here also left hand side dy by dx. The right, if the left are equal, automatically the right hand side become equal. Now you are going to equate, right? Minus 1 by x minus 3 the whole square equal to what? Minus 1, the minus 1 divided by x minus 1, the slope is given as 2, right children? Sorry ma. Dy by dx equal to 2, right? Now we are going to equate. So what you will get? Compare, right? First step what you did, you see y is equal to 1 by x minus 3. Then y is equal to x minus 3 the whole power minus 2. You are finding the slope of the tangent. For that you are differentiating the given curve equation. You arrived dy by dx equal to minus 1 by x minus 3 the whole square. In the question, slope is given. That is also represented what? Dy by dx. Then you are comparing 1 and 2. Now you see, which implies minus 1 equal to 2 into x minus 3 the whole square. X minus 3 the whole square. Now you see the next step, what it will, or what it should be, right? X minus 3, x minus 3, the whole square equal to minus 1 by 2. Normally used to take a square root. Whether it is possible here, children? Anyone you should give a reply? No, because the right hand side you have negative, you can't take a square root. So what is your conclusion here? You see, what is your conclusion? Which is not possible, which is not possible. Why it is not possible? As square of real number, as square of real number, square of real number cannot be negative, right? Cannot be negative. So what is your conclusion here? You cannot find the tangent. You cannot find the tangent. So therefore, here, therefore, there is no tangent. There is no tangent. There is no tangent to the given curve, to the given curve, what? Having slope 2. Having slope 2. Right. You are arriving the result as negative in the right side. The left hand side you have square. You cannot take a square root. So you conclude that there is no tangent to the given curve having slope 2. Now I am going to move to the next question. Right. Next question you see, find the equation of the tangent, equation of all lines having slope 0, which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3, right? Y is equal to what it is given, you see, 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3. First step, what do you want to do? Whatever it is, first step you want to find the derivative, right? Given solution, what is given? Your given y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3, which is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3, the whole power minus 1. Like that you can write. The denominator you are shifting to the numerator. So the power it becomes negative. Next step, what I told you, you have to differentiate, I said, right? dy by dx. Here also you are going to recall the derivative of x power n. First you should give the power. First you should give the importance to the power. Minus 1 into x square minus 2x plus 3, the whole power minus 2. Power is over. Then you enter into the bracket. What it is there? It is a quadratic polynomial. That also you want to differentiate in terms of product, right? So x square, when you differentiate 2x, when you differentiate minus 2x, it will give you 2, right? Now, which is equal to, which is equal to what? Anyone? Which is equal to minus of, which is equal to minus of, see in the second bracket you have 2 as common. So you have to take it as 2 outside. Write x minus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3. Yeah, children, whether did you understand? Are you following me? Yeah, very good, right? You should be attentive. Listen carefully, right? If you listen carefully only, you can understand the concept. Otherwise, you feel difficult, right, children? Yeah, I hope you people are listening my class, right? Now, what it is given in the question, you see, all tangents having slope 0. All tangents given, all tangents, all tangents having slope equal, slope, all tangents having slope is 0, which implies slope means I told you that is dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 0. It is given in your question. Now, this is your first equation. Given is your second equation. You are going to compare or equate, right? Compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. What you can get, you see, minus 2 into x minus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3, the whole square, right? I left it here, the whole square. Here also you have to use the whole square, right? The whole square equal to 0, right? The left hand side are equal, so right hand side automatically it is equal when you compare. Now you cross multiply. What you will get, you see, minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to what? What is your thing? Equal to 0, right? Next, which implies x minus 1 equal to 0, because minus 2 is not equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 1, which implies x is equal to 1. Then you go and substitute in the y. What is your y? Y is substitute x is equal to 1 in y is equal to 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3. Now, y is equal to, which implies y is equal to 1 divided by 1 square minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 3 minus 2, right? 1 plus 3 minus 2. Now, see here, then what is your y now? Y is equal to 1 divided by 2. Y is equal to 1 divided by 2, right? I hope you people understood, right? Y is equal to, y is equal to 1 by 2. Now what is your equation of the tangent they are asking, right? Equation of the tangent. What is the formula I told you? Equation of the tangent. 1 point slope form, right? Equation of the tangent to the given curve, to the given curve, given curve at point, what point you found? At point, what you found it here, ma? 1 comma 1 by 2, right? 1 comma 1 by 2, right? 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 by 2. which implies, that is formula you have to write, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, 1 point slope form. Here 1 point is there, your slope is also there. Slope is what? Yeah, this one is your x1, y1. Your slope is given as what? M equal to 0. Slope is given, right? It is given. That you are going to substitute here, right? Now, which implies y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 into x minus 1, right? What it is, your right hand side become 0. Your right hand side become 0, which implies y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Now, what is the solution? The required line is the required line is what? You shift the constant to the right side. What it is? Y is equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal to 1 by 2. Again I'm going to explain. You have to listen carefully, children. First, y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. That you shift to the numerator. The next step, you are differentiating. First, you give the importance to the power, then you will move to the bracket. So, you arrived here as minus 2 into x minus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3 the whole square, right? Now, given all the tangents having slope 0, that means dy by dx equal to 0. Now you are comparing equation 1 and 2. You arrived x is equal to 1. That you substitute in the curve equation. You arrived y is equal to what? You arrived y is equal to 1 by 2. Using there, you are going to find out, using the things, you are going to find the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent to the curve at point 1 comma 1 by 2. One point is there, slope is there. The formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. See, this is your formula. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, which implies y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 into x minus 1. You arrived the result as y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Then what is your required line? The constant will move to the right side. So y is equal to 1 by 2. Now I am going to move to the question number 13. What it is given, you see, find the points on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1, at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. See, one thing I want to recall, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 means what it represents. Anyone you people learn. Anyone you have to recall whether it is correct or not. No problem. You have to say, yeah, very good child. It is a equation of a ellipse. Equation of a ellipse. First, parallel to x-axis. I want to recall that. Parallel to x-axis means what? Dy by dx equal to 0. Parallel to x-axis means dy by dx equal to 0. Parallel to y-axis, reciprocal. That's it. dx by dy equal to 0. Right? You are going to find the points. Whatever it is, first step is differentiation. Whatever it is, first step is differentiation. Given the given equation is represent whatever it comes to your mind. See, when you see the equation, if you learnt already, you recall that habit you should develop, right? Now, what is your equation here? You see, given x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. What it is? Equation of a ellipse. Equation of a ellipse. Right? Now, it forms on the y-axis because below y the value is highest. Based on that only you are going to say how the ellipse will form. The major axis along y-axis. That and all don't want now. Just you should recall, right? Now you are going to differentiate, right? See here 1 by 9 is a constant as such. When you differentiate, what you will get? 2x. You are differentiating with respect to x, right? Plus 1 by 16. When you differentiate y square, what you will get? 2y. Again, you have to differentiate y with respect to x means dy by dx. The right hand side, it is a constant, so it becomes 0, right? You people understood? Am I right, children? Yeah, very good. 2x. Again, when you differentiate x with respect to x, what you will get? 1. So, I didn't write here. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Now you see 2 is common, so you can divide by 2. Divide by 2. What you will get? You see here x by 9 plus y by 16 equal to, into dy by dx equal to 0, right? Into, this is your multiplication, right? Now, we want what is dy by dx. What is dy by dx? That alone I'm going to keep it in the left side. The rest of the thing. Before that, I want to do the LCM. What is the LCM here? Anyone? Or you keep as such. You don't want to take LCM and all. Don't go for that, right? Y by 16 into dy by dx equal to, the plus it will move to the right hand side. So it will act as negative x by 9, right? X by 9. Now, which implies dy by dx equal to minus x by 9. Here, the multiplication will act as division. When you shift to the right side, what you will get? Y by 16. Y by 16. The 16 will move to the numerator. The 9 will come to the denominator. The 9 will come to the denominator. Now, what is your dy by dx? Yeah, anyone? Anyone? Yeah, very good. Dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to minus 16x divided by 9y. Minus 16x divided by 9y. First step you completed. Now we'll enter into the subdivisions, right? First subdivision, what it is given, you see the parallel to x-axis. That means the tangent parallel to x-axis. That is the meaning, right? Given tangent parallel to x-axis. Tangent parallel to x-axis means, which implies dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx equal to 0. That is the meaning, right? Parallel tangent to x-axis. Now your dy by dx is what? Minus 16x by 9y. You are going to compare, right? This is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. Compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. What you will get? You see, minus 16x divided by 9y equal to 0. Equal to 0. Which implies what? X is equal to 0, right? I hope you people understood. You cross multiply. Minus 16x equal to 0. Minus 16 is not equal to 0. Definitely x is equal to 0. You are going to substitute in the given equation to find y, right? To find y. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. The given equation is what? X square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, how the equation will act, you see? 0 square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1, which implies y square by 16 equal to 1, y square equal to 16, which implies y is equal to plus or minus 4. Whenever you are taking a square root, you should use plus or minus, right? Therefore, the points Therefore, they are asking to find the points. No, you have to give a solution. Therefore, the points, the points at which the tangent, at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis, or what? Where x is 0, you have to take two result of y, right? 0 comma 4 and x 0 comma minus 4, right? 0 comma 4 and 0 comma minus 4, right? Now, the points at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis are 0 comma 4 and 0 comma minus 4, right? Now we'll pass on to the second subdivision. The same equation, but what it is given in the second subdivision? Parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. See, parallel to y-axis means what it comes to your mind, which implies dx by dy equal to 0. That is the meaning. Dx by dy equal to 0. Already you found, right? What is your dy by dx? We know that, or we found. Better you write. Dy by dx, already you found, no? Dy by dx equal to minus 16x by 9y, right? From equation 1. From equation 1. From equation 1, you have dy by dx as what? Dy by dx as minus 16x by 9y. I want what? I want dx by dy. So you should write it as a reciprocal on both the sides. dx by dy equal to minus 9y by 16x. From equation 1, dy by dx is minus 16x by 9y. From which implies you are taking reciprocal on both the sides. Reciprocal on both the sides, which implies, right? Reciprocal on both the sides, which implies dx by dy equal to 69 minus 9y by 16x. This is your equation number. Already you gave 1 and 2, no? This is your equation number 3. This is your equation number 4. Now you are going to equate, right? Equate or compare. compare equation 3 and 4. What you can get, you see children, minus 9y by 16x equal to 0. Right? Minus 9y divided by 16x equal to 0. Now, which implies minus 9y equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. Now you are going to substitute in the equation. What it is given? X square by a 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Substitute x is equal, substitute y is equal to, substitute y is equal to 0 in x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Now you substitute, what you will get? You see x square by 9 plus 0 divided by 16 equal to 1. You know very well 0 divided by anything is 0, which implies x square by 9 equal to 1. X square equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 3. X is equal to plus or minus 3. Now, the points at which the tangents, right? The points here, sorry children. The points at which the tangents are parallel to y-axis are what? 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. You have to take positive and negative of x. Your y is standard as 0. Now I am going to explain. You have to listen carefully, children. Right? See, you are given equation. First, slowly I am going to explain. You have to listen carefully, ma. Given x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Now we are differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, right? You are differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. What you will get? You are, see, when you differentiate the x square, what you will get? 2x. So 9, 1 by 9 is a constant, so it will come as such. Plus y square, when you differentiate, what you will get? 2y. Again, when you differentiate y with respect to x means dy by dx. The right hand side it becomes 0. The 1 by 16 as such it will come, because the constant, whenever the constant comes under the multiplication, it won't be affected after differentiating also, right? Now, then you keep y by 16 into dy by dx in the left side. You carry over x by 9 to the right side. The positive will act as negative. We need only dy by dx. So you are shifting y by 16 to the opposite. That it will come under the division. The next step you are writing as a, you are shifting 16 to the numerator and 9 to the denominator. So what is your thing? You see dy by dx equal to minus 16x by 9y. That is your equation number 1. given tangent parallel to x-axis. So dy by dx equal to 0. When you compare, you arrive the result of x as 0. That you substitute, right? Substitute x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, the equation becomes, right? The given equation becomes what? X 0 means x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. So 0 square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Your y square equal to 16, y is equal to plus or minus 4. The points at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis are your x is 0, y alone got different, right? 4 and minus 4. Next subdivision is parallel to y-axis. That means dx by dy equal to 0. Already you found, right? Dy by dx equal to minus 16x by 9y. When you will take a reciprocal, you arrive dx by dy. That is your minus 9y by 16x. Then compare 3 and 4. You arrive y is equal to 0. Substitute y equal to 0 in x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Then you arrive x square by 9 equal to 1, x square equal to 9, x is equal to plus or minus 3. The points at which the tangents are parallel to y-axis are, here x is different, y is standard as 0. So 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. What, all the three sums, first step what you did? Only the differentiation, right? Only the differentiation based on the given you are doing such procedures, right? I hope you people understood. I will continue tomorrow, right? Thank you, children. You have to go through what are the things I taught. You have to recall again. If you have any doubt, you should ask me. I'll explain. Once again, thank you, children.